They're sharing their possessions. They're selling all they had just so that all would have enough. They're feasting. They're celebrating together day after day. They're meeting in the temple. They went to church every single day, guys. Every single day. They came to church to praise God because they were in awe. What else were they supposed to do? They're living in the new day, the new covenant. The Spirit is poured out. The veil has been torn. They can see God for the first time for who He really is, the God of love and of mercy and of compassion, the God who rescues His children and literally makes them His children by putting His Spirit within them. And they're in awe. They're in wonder. They don't care about their earthly possessions anymore. They don't care about going to the temple every day. They want to do it, to praise God and to worship Him. And they continued in all these things. I love how that passage, it was just sticking out to me, how it said they continued to do all these things. They continued devoting themselves. Signs and wonders continued to happen through the hands of the apostles. There was continued joy and sincerity of heart. They had favor with all the people. There was a deep sense of awe. They were of one mind, and they continued to praise God. And every single day, God added to their number.